All right, look like a little round four here. Get some more of these jackets. They're kind of nice. Like I said, you know, in other videos. It floats. So there's a lot of cool stuff. I like these. I saw them on another one before. These are really nice. I love the look. Nice. Those are nice too as well. Little camo one. Nice. What do you think, huh? Not bad for the vest. $69. 7th day of December. Today is Pearl Harbor Day. So, this is an outdoor hometown hero. Outdoors. Kinds of stuff. Lakewood. Lifelong Cases Adventures. So they got all kinds of stuff here. Look at that behavior. Cases of Long Adventures. Look at that stuff. So this is like fishing stuff right here. You use that for your lures and stuff. It doesn't get wet. Please do not touch. So, look at that. More or less, they just put it in the cases. Nice. Swim bait deposit box. Nice. Look at that. I like that. Nice. Look at that.
We got this too. This is the little video type thing of our
Cool.
code, baby. Yep. Cool. Yeah, it's good. Well, we just got here.
Zclear.com. Hey, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm well. So these are like, this is where they make a lot of the lures, it looks like. JR's tackle. Kind of walk over. You just tell you can make all kinds of stuff. Not cheap, this stuff isn't. All kinds of lures, huh?
Yeah.
Jesus, I got enough lures at home. My favorite lures I like, I always buy are the mimics. When you fish in the lake, mimics are really good. They look just like a fish.
These ones right here?
Well, no, they're called mimics.
They're called mimics.
If you look them up, they're really good. I mean, they look just like a fish. They're really good. I remember watching Babe Winkleman when I was young. He'd get you all motivated to go fishing. Remember Babe?
Yeah.
Then you go fishing, get skunked. Because he made it look easy, you know.
Right.
Didn't know about editing back then. You know, I was his age, and okay, I'd go get fired up.
Right.
I watch the National Football League. You watch the game, go out and try to throw the ball. I can't do it, you know.
Can't toss a 60.
Troy Aikman or Marino make it look easy, and you try to throw it to him?
Yeah.
Don't bother.
Right.
Oh, there we go. Oh, Devil's Lake, I like it up there.
Yeah, for sure.
What we got here? We got, is that one lake that continues to expand?
Yeah, that's the one.
Which one is it? Is it your lake or which one?
Yeah, it's kind of the whole basin.
Yeah, because it keeps expanding and keeps expanding, and okay.
Correct. Yeah, that's exactly right.
There's
But
more in North Dakota, ladies and gentlemen, than there is oil. Okay, there are fish.
Yeah, right, exactly.
All right. So, all right. What kind of fish you guys got up there? Everything?
Yeah, it's perch, walleyes, northerns, white bass.
You gotta get past the walleye behavior at the Mille Lacs, and there's sunfish and everything else. All right. Devil's Lake, you guys, check them out. All right. So we're gonna get into here. That lake is constantly expanding.
Yeah, so this is basically
All kinds of fishing rods, man. You can easily spend a lot of money here. So what are these? These are the handle for what?
the carbon graphite and their
Oh, okay.
handles.
What, the end of the rod? Oh, okay.
It's
The
what
grip.
It feels like it just got a little different.
Oh, okay. All right. So you can have different grips for.
Yeah, same thing as always.
I see. Okay. Okay.
Serves the same purpose.
Whatever color is fancy, not the old man, the black or white. You know. Now, if you're like a Packer fan or whatever you want to have, the
Yep.
color. Totally understand. Good move. All right. Oh, this stuff. Undercover. So what are these?
It's a Northern Light rattle reel, and we mounted it to our undercover guide. It's a universal mount that goes down in your wheelhouse sleeve.
Okay.
So when you catch a fish,
It also works fantastic on a bait caddy or a bubble.
you let out some lines, and then you flip the whole thing out of the hole.
Oh, okay.
It's great for people that have kids and pets in their house.
Ah,
Yep.
I
And then
see.
you can take the clip out of the hole, and down there we have it on an angle bait caddy.
All right.
And then over here behind you, it's on a Yeti bucket.
Oh, okay.
Anything you can clip it to. And last year we came out with this little guy to go on your clam pucks.
Okay.
So you can really mount it anywhere portable. Works
Wow.
with every rattle reel on the market and the
Okay.
line alarm.
So undercover guide, right?
Yes.
All right, you guys, check them out. Undercover guide. Got a website? Undercover. There it
Yep,
is.
undercover guide, and
Is
then on
it?
the back here.
There's you guys. Check them out.
Awesome.
Beats and going to better than Fleet Farm, you guys.
Yeah, that's right.
Always support local, small business.
That's right. Yep, we make every guide ourselves.
All right, good for you. Give it good work. Straightening out for small fish. I love it. It's classic. Love it. So what are these? What are these?
That's a beta.
Okay.
Want to see how they work?
What? Yeah, how they work.
Would you like to see how they work?
Sure.
All right, so your minnows are swimming in the container.
Right.
See them? All right, turn this over. Take this lid off.
Oh, it's kind of like a pickle jar my wife's got. You turn the pickle upside down. It's just like the pickle jar.
Brings the bait right out of the water.
Yep. We have a pickle thing you turn upside down, and the juice goes down, and you can pull the pickle.
Kind of the
Same kind of thing. So the juice goes down. Exactly. Hey. Ingenious. Very nice. There you go,
Great
guys.
for ice fishing, but great for kayaking, river fishing.
All right. Product alternatives, you guys. All right. Perfect. What are these? What is this?
I'm going to let you chat about that.
Paddle wheels. So spool your line on them, and as the fish starts to take out line, then the bell starts to ring.
Oh, so when you're hanging out with your girlfriend, wait a minute, I got something going on.
Exactly.
All right. Okay. Thank you. That was kind of cool. Over here.
Yeah.
A lot of them have like a thing will go up. A flag. So now we get into more stuff over here. Eskimo. More of those. Now we get into it. I thought there was a person. Yeah, more stuff here. These suckers are heavy. Oh, this stuff's heavy. Woo-hoo. My goodness. That stuff's not. That stuff's heavy and warm. Trust me. Oh yeah. Look at that sucker. Warm stuff. You can see, you got cold snap. And all kinds of stuff here. Rainer Ruby. How's the resort business these days, you guys?
How are you doing?
Good. So Rainy, you guys, 218-634-2258. All right. Got the good-looking young. When's the big date?
2 weeks.
2 weeks. Are you the happy papa?
Yeah.
Congrats. First, second, third, fourth?
First.
All right. My mom said I was the last one. It got easier and easier. I only took 15 minutes, I was out.
Oh, good. Fingers crossed.
I don't know. I have no children I know of, but I don't give birth. I don't. But my mom said, take your lip, pull over your head. But she said she tells any man, pull your top lip, pull over your head. That's having a baby. Wish it well. Many more to come too. All right. You do good work. You bet. Rough and wax. So I did this one already. Kind of go over here a little bit. Oops. You got all kinds of lures over here. My goodness. Yeah. You name it, they got it. Oh my goodness. Ooh, good. Got these are kind of rapple. These are nice. I like these. You got that heated. Oh, this thing. Dog toys, yeah. My dog ripped those apart, pillar to post and post to pillar. Many good gloves. I got a lot of gloves. More gloves over here. Those are nice.
How about this? You need to have this thing in the spring when it's not so cold.
Got all kinds of good stuff. Heaters. You got little shovels. You need to shovel yourself in. A lot of raffle stuff here. They're pretty big in town too as well. But yeah. All right, we're gonna more jackets. Man, these are. I want one. Nice. Carhartt, and they make good jackets. Really good jackets. Those bad boys. Anyways, guys, let's move on to something more substantial. 350 bucks. Anyways, see you next one.